Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
To get the bind ability, first confirm your character level and resource totals. You must reach player level 15 before the ability becomes available for purchase. You also need to collect 10 bind shards to unlock the acquisition quest. Shards are dropped by trial enemies with an average 25% drop rate. Plan sessions so you farm consistently. Note that bind will later cost 25% of your maximum mana when equipped for active use. Begin acquisition by completing 3 trials at the Abyss Gate to earn bind shard drops. Focus on groups of enemies with higher shard yield for faster farming. After you collect 10 bind shards, travel to the binding altar to trade them in for the ritual. Speak with the altar priest to initiate the unlock ritual and follow on-screen prompts. Finally, return to the NPC and pay 5,000 gold to finalize the bind ability unlock and receive the ability token. After unlocking, equip bind to an active ability slot from your skill menu. The ability consumes 25% of your maximum mana and triggers a 3-5-minute cooldown after each use. Bind has a range of 10 meters and immobilizes targets for 2 seconds on a successful hit. Use bind at the start of short combos to lock targets in place for follow-up damage. Practice timing and positioning to maximize effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.